has been contributing to his field through innovation, leadership, and business development. Through his work, he has created opportunities, driven growth, and made a meaningful impact in the business sector. With his commitment, vision, and continuous contribution, he continues to inspire through his journey. So congratulations to Mr. Krishna Prasad Dulal on receiving the 1% award. धेरै धेरै बधाई तथा हार्दिक सम्मान छ सम्पूर्ण 1% अवार्ड प्राप्त गर्न सफल हुनुभएका महानुभावहरूलाई। त्यसै गरी हामी अन्य अवार्डहरू पनि प्रदान गरि नै रहेका छौँ द 1% अवार्ड अन्तर्गत नै रहेर र यो 1% अवार्ड हामी प्रदान गरिरहेका छौँ आइएमएस सफ्टवेयरका म्यानेजिङ डाइरेक्टर श्री सन्तोष ताम्राकारज्यूलाई। कृपया उहाँको लागि पनि जोरदार तालीले सम्मान व्यक्त गरिदिन अनुरोध गर्दछु। मिस्टर सन्तोष